They say a car is a man's castle. They never mention that the queen of the castle has a secret power, hearing noises that don't exist. She hears a clink. You hear nothing. She hears a clank. You hear nothing. You're not a husband. You're a professional car mechanic. And the only thing you're fixing is your wife's sanity. The solution? The strategic volume. When she asks, "What's that noise?" you don't answer. You just turn the music up, loudly. She'll get so distracted by the music, she'll forget to ask you to fix the car.
This was just one story about a married man's survival. Subscribe, like, and comment for more.